think doing Right as Rain's logo was a huge challenge because we wanted to have everything in one image, from the idea of crafting to helping people. It was a charity. There were so many angles to look at it through. What they ended up coming up with was absolutely brilliant. It's the image of a woman dancing in the rain, being shielded by an umbrella, and they did it in watercolor, which was beautiful, and it added the whole artistic element of what we're trying to do. So I thank you, Langton Cherubino, for being brilliant and creating this fantastic logo for us that says everything that we want it to say about Right as Rain.